The feature of Primeprint that my customers are most excited about is the fact that it's a typical Dentsply Sirona product, meaning that it's extremely intuitive and a workflow that is systematic by approach. So we've taken a technology that's been around for some time now, and we've made it something that's easier to delegate, something that's got a medical grade workflow that again is systematic, intuitive, and very easy for people to learn. The ability to design very certain appliances within the office with a medical grade curing process, the ability to do the design in-house is very important. So we're not farming that out to third parties. We can have the ability to do guides, temporaries, splints, surgical guides, all within the software that comes with the printer. So it's a very streamlined and again, systematic approach to 3D printing. Well, it's always about the partnership and the complete integration, right? Technology is great as long as you have the proper partnership in place. Things just aren't plug and play anymore. With the digital workflow that we're employing now, it requires someone to help lead you into that and to partner with you as you expand your offerings to your patients.